this is what look like in our neighborhood. Still snowing. So they're making a snow angel. That's Arabella. And that's Mika.
Snow angel! Mika,
There's
look!
our dog.
Mika, look! I made a snow angel!
Oh, so winter snowstorm here. The storm will stop around 1 o'clock. And now they're playing in the swing. And our dog is so happy too. Ooh. And look,
I got a snow.
the trees are covered with snow. You like it?
Yeah!
Yes.
Wow, look at that thing! I'm covered in snow.
Yaki is so happy.
Mika, I got it right there! I put down the snow down!
Yankee, look! Yankee! Sit! Sit! Go! Where is it?
Mika, what do we do with this thing?
And the kids are there.
It's for water.
Oh, they're under my supervision. Make sure they're not
It's for water.
cold.
Is it a pool?
They have like 4 layers of winter gear outfit.
I can't get out of the snow. Whoa! Oh my goodness!
Hi, Key! What you're doing, Mika?
I get so off this area
It's nice to see the trees are covered with snow.
pieces and
What you're doing, Arabella?
I'm putting snow on the slide so
Okay.
I push it all off.
Mika's there. Hi, Mika.
I just
Shovel your house. Okay.
Over snow.
And this is the puppy enjoying the snow also. Yankee.
Now I'm gonna put all the snow down. Marlene, I'm gonna put all the snow down. Marlene, look.
Ooh, that's nice. Just be careful, okay? Are you gonna both swing? Oh, that can be a shovel. Okay. Look, the puppy loves the snow also. Yankee, come here. Oh, you got a stick. You got a stick.
I don't know how to make it.
Gonna make a snowman?
I just got it. So I need it.
Take turn.
Let me just turn.
Yep. So I just finished shoveling this part of the driveway. I'm kinda tired already and my nose is kinda hurt already. So it's almost finished. The other side I need to clear the pathway also. And the kids are still playing there. We're eating the snow.